All right, I'm here with Sen. Can you describe a little bit about what we're doing here at the booth?
OK，那个我们做的是那个毛巾的动物。那今年是狗年，所以我们就做狗。所以这是今年我们在这边的好几年了，我们就用毛巾。我们是那个迦南教会的成员在这边。
这个毛巾的狗是你自己做的吗 ？Design？
No， 我们是 follow 那个 YouTube 上面有很多这种教我们的，所以我们只是一个 idea 而已，不是我们自己的 design。
不错啊，蛮 creative 的。Thank you, thank you。
今麦咧介绍台湾的迄款要做毛巾的狗啊。今仔是台湾文化节，所以阮来遮旧金山的所在，今麦遮侪囡仔踮咧做即个毛巾狗，真侪人来遮。这个是每年毛巾卷起来，卷一半，卷一半，然后再转回来，再卷一半。先用一条四方形的毛巾卷一半，然后那边再卷过来。卷一半，两边卷起来。然后再把那个材料打开，把耳朵放上去，折成一半，然后下面用那个。用橡皮圈起来，差不多在1/3的地方，把脚的形状做出来。用第一条橡皮筋来做出来。先用毛巾就一直卷，从那边卷过来，再从那边再卷过去，在一半的地方，然后再对折。对折以后，再拿一条橡皮筋把它卷起来，把脚的形状做出来。做完以后，就把那个毛巾这样子放好，然后再拿另外一条橡皮筋。从中间压下去，把脸做出来。你把毛巾的脸，那个狗的脸就做出来了。我们有的放过去。再把那个另外一条那个狗，就把那个橡皮筋给它圈上去。
Hi everyone, how's it going? It's a beautiful day in San Francisco. Oscar. How you doing? Good, good. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Alright, I'm going to be playing some original songs. If you guys enjoy it, please, you know, let me know.
把缎带绑上去。
Can you guys hear that? Alright, let's do this. This song's called Sunbeams. Because it's pretty warm today, huh? Okay.
然后就连上鼻子，连上嘴巴，连上眼睛，再加上耳朵。
Okay, here we go. You a girl who in black and white.
把眼睛连上去。
Good and bad were always in her sight. Days would pass with suns so very bright. To one day the princess ran and run and run and run until they cannot see you. They run and run and run till no one knows your name. And I will hold your secrets to my grave. And I will be the one to take you.
连鼻子。 哦，再把嘴巴连上去就好了。
Once was peace, but now it's really war.
What you like? And then we're gonna put the mouth.
That's cheating. It's alright. You got one. You got Try again. Okay, ready?
You like it?
Go.
Look. Where's your puppy? I'm gonna take a picture for you guys.
Get the ball watch.
Puppy this way. This way. Ready?
7,
Look, give her up.
5, 4,
1, 2, 3. one side has to be longer, right? It's okay either way. Yeah. Is that better? Is that better? Does that look more like a dog? Yeah? Okay, do you want to put his eyes and his nose on? Okay.
So this is its tongue. Here, take the red felt off, and you're going to do it. The red piece of felt.
You can put his eyes in the nose. You have to take it off here.
Put the ear into the hole and then pull it.
You need help?
Thank you.
You're getting
This is my
tired?
very last song. I'm going to
Getting
invite my wonderful friends Vincent and Duncan, who will be doing some amazing choreography for you guys. This is my new song, Divine. I just released it last month. It's at 60,000 views on YouTube, so thank you so much to everybody who's been listening to it. So here's Divine.
Can you put it on there?
Thank you.
It's okay. We'll wipe it off. There you go. That's it. Good job. Press it. Pick a side. There you go. Hey, does it look like a dog? Not tonight. Do you look like a dog? Want a ribbon?
Oh yeah. So this is actually the nose.
Oh, what was this?
Yeah.
Was the mouth?
Yeah.
The tongue?
Yeah.
This one didn't have.